Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change phone number on your TikTok account. Follow these easy steps to easily update or change your TikTok account phone number. And the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. Go ahead and launch the TikTok app and make sure to sign into your account. Now go to your profile page. From your profile page, tap on this hamburger menu at the top right corner and tap on settings and privacy. And now tap on account. Tap on account and tap on account information and tap on phone number. Tap on change phone. Now you have to verify your identity. So all you have to need, type here your TikTok account current password. And tap on next. And then here you will get the field to easily change or update your TikTok account phone number. All you have to need, select here your country code and then write here your phone number and then tap on send code. And now tap on send code and now you will get a 6-digit verification code to the number. All you have to need, just write here the number and your number will be verified and your TikTok account number will be changed. So this is how we can easily change our TikTok account number. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.